Hi, I'm Anu from Anvi Business Solutions, and today in this video I'm going to share how we can apply Golden Visa and who are eligible for this long-term Golden Visa in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. So let me brief you about long-term visa. What is this golden resident visa? Well, in 2019, the UAE government has enabled this system under which a foreigner can live, work and do a study under the mainland area without any local sponsor, and they can hold a business under 100% ownership, and they will be granted a 5 or 10 years visa as per the passing the eligibility criteria. Furthermore, there is these people can sponsor their families also, like spouse, wife and kids, and these golden visa are available basically for the investors, entrepreneurs and outstanding talents, doctors, scientists and in field of work. So now we will discuss in this video who can apply golden visa, what are the terms and conditions, and what documents we need to submit in order to apply this visa, and what is the cost and how much time takes to complete this golden visa process. Now we will cover who are eligible for this 10-year golden visa. First of all, we will discuss about the 10-year visa, and this is basically for the investors who have make a total 10 million dirham, not less than 10 million dirham in the public investment, and this amount can be in any kind of form of investment. Like number one, the investor has deposited not less than 10 million dirham in inside the country in any kind of form of investment. Second, he has invested not less than 10 million dirham in any company or any project, and that capital is not less than 10 million dirham. In this case also he is eligible. And another one, third point we can say, if he comes under the partnership with the existing company where his capital is not less than 10 million dirham, then also in this case he is eligible for the golden visa. And the last one, when the total sum of his investment money is not less than 10 million, and this can be he invests some amount in property, some in investments in bonds or so. So when the total amount of his net worth or investment is not less than 10 million, in this case also he can apply for a golden visa. Apart from that, there are further 3 more conditions which has to be fulfilled by the investor when he is applying for the investor visa, or we can say the golden visa. First of all, this amount of 10 million should not be loaned. It should not be like taking by any overdraft or by bank loan. It should be his own investment. Second thing, this amount should be retained for at least 3 years. And the last one, he should be financially secure or insolvent for at least 10 million dirham. So these are some we can say the conditions which has to be fulfilled if the person is looking for a golden visa. And when he apply for a golden visa, he has the right to apply for his spouse and kids as well. He can sponsor them on this same 10-year long visa, and he can further sponsor his one we can say executive director and one advisor also. So these are some plus point. If he got a golden visa in United Arab Emirates, then he can sponsor his family and one executive director and one advisor as well. And if in the case of there is a partnership, investment is 10 million dirham, then this is subject to the condition like each partner must contribute to the 10 million dirham. In this case also, each partner can apply for this long-term visa. So these are the points we can say for the investors who have a total investment of not less than 10 million dirham in United Arab Emirates, and they can apply for a 10-year visa. Now I will discuss about 5-year visa, who are eligible for the 5-year long-term visa. Basically, this 5-year visa is applicable for 2 types of investor. One is for the investor who have a property, another one who are like entrepreneurs. So first we will discuss about the property-based investor, how they can apply a 5-year visa. So when we talk about this 5-year visa for the investment in property, in this case the investor must have to comply 3 conditions basically, and these 3 conditions are: the investor must invest in a property and the property gross value should not be less than 5 million dirham, and this property, second condition, this property should not be a loan basis, And the third one, this property must be owned at least, it should be retained by an investor for 3 years. So these are the 3 conditions which has to be fulfilled by the investor, and if he comply all these conditions, in this case he can apply for a 5-year long-term visa in the immigration of United Arab Emirates. So these are the conditions for the investors. Now we will talk about the entrepreneurs, how he can apply a 5-year visa if he is an entrepreneur. So for him also there are some conditions. If a person having a existing project in Dubai in United Arab Emirates which have a minimum share capital not less than 500,000, then in this case, or there is another condition, or there is a approved we can say accredited business incubator. In this case also they can apply, these entrepreneurs can apply for a 5-year long-term visa, and further they can apply for their for themselves and their spouse and kids, and 1 partner plus 3 executive director as well. And it's subject to the approval of immigration authority, and in both cases the entrepreneurs and investor in property can apply for a long-term 5-year visas. Now we'll cover the next point. The person who have a specialized talent, they can also apply for a long-term visa. And these, in this scenario, we can say all these people are covered, like who have done something outstanding, or we can say they have a special talent or and research in field of like either they can be a doctor, scientist, or a specialist, or inventors. And further, it include the people who have creative individuals in the field of culture and art. So all these kind of people are like a specialized talent, and for them how we can apply a long-term visa. And if they grant a visa, they can sponsor their family, which means their wife and kids, and they must have a valid employment contract from their sponsor, and they have to fulfill some conditions. Afterwards only they can apply for this long-term visa. So what are these conditions we will discuss now. So now when we talk about what are the conditions for the specialized talents to apply a long-term visa, so we will discuss now. First of all, if he is a scientist, in this case he must be accredited by the Emirates Scientific Council, or he must be holding a Mohammed bin Rashid medal for his scientific excellence. And if he is a creative mind, in this case for art and culture field, he must be accredited by the Ministry of Culture and Knowledge Development. And if he is an inventor, then his document should be patented, and it should be approved by the Ministry of Economy and should be added to the value of UAE economy. Third one, if he is we can say the executive, in this case he must be holding a good position in a recognized international company, or he must be holding a high position academical achievement in his field. So all these are points we can say for specialized talents, they can apply for a long-term visa, and it's subject to the approval of immigration whether they give them a 10-year visa or a 5-year visa. Now we will discuss for the doctors and scientists what conditions they have to fulfill in order to get this long-term visa. Now we will cover what are the conditions for the doctor and the specialist if they are applying for a long-term visa in United Arab Emirates, if they are applying for a golden visa. So first of all, these doctors or the specialist must hold a PhD degree, which should be approved by the 500 universities, which is recognized by the worldwide, and there is a list from the ICA, and where we can check it. The doctor or the specialist must have his degree, this PhD degree, from these only 5 registered universities worldwide. And the second thing is that the person must be get an award or certificate of appreciation in the field of his related work. Further, he made some scientific research in his related field of work, or he can be a member of any organization which is something related to his particular field of work. And there is another condition we can say, he must hold a professional experience not less than 10 years in his respective field of work. So if any of these 2 conditions the doctor or the specialist fulfilled, in that case he can apply for the long-term visa. So he don't need to apply, he don't need to fulfill all the conditions. Out of these, even if he fulfills 2 conditions, then in that case he can apply for a long-term visa. and these are basically for the doctors and the specialists. And once their visa approved, then they can sponsor their kids, their families, and all these things can be done. Now we will cover for the outstanding students how they can apply for a long-term visa, what are the conditions. So when we talk about the student, any student who hold a minimum grade of 95% in public or private secondary school, in that case he can apply. And for the university students, if within or outside the country, having a distinction of GPA not at least 3.75 upon the graduation, in that case also these outstanding students can apply for a long-term visa, golden visa we can say, and they can sponsor their families as well. So these are the conditions for the students we can say who are having a potential talent or who having a good marks in their whether it's in a school or university, they can also apply for a long-term visa. Now at the last we will cover for the retired people how they can apply for a long-term visa and what are these conditions. Now we will cover the last one for the people, for the retired people, how they can apply long-term visa and what are the conditions for them. So any foreign expat whose age is more than 55 years or above 60 years, they can apply for this long-term golden visa. Further, subject to the condition, like first of all, either this person must have a property which should not be less than 2 million dirham, or he must have a saving of 1 million dirham. For the last one, he have a active income, monthly income we can say of 20,000 per month dirham. In this all three condition, if he fulfills any condition, then he can apply for long-term visa under the retirement plan. And basically this for the expatriate who's more than the elderly people whose age is more than 55 and above. So if they fulfill any of these conditions, they can apply for this long-term visa. So this is, we discuss all about who are eligible for the long-term visa or golden visa. We discuss about the investor, entrepreneurs, and outstanding students, special talents like doctor, researchers, and retired people also. So now the next point comes, how much time it takes. Well, there are plenty of applications in the immigration for these golden visas. So we can say it can take up to a month or it can be longer, and 7 to 8 weeks we can say. And further it depends upon person to person case, and but this is the time frame. It takes time if you are submitting a golden visa or long-term visa applications. Now the last point, what are the required documents if somebody wants to apply for a golden visa? In that case, that investor must have to provide his all documents which prove that he is having an investment of not less than 10 million dirham, which includes his passport copy, his current visa, resident visa page, his Emirates ID copy. If he is having a property, then the title deed of the property, and because tenancy contract lease agreement will not work since he is the owner, and he must have a proof that yes, he is the real owner of the company. In that case, he must have a title deed from the land department plus a sale purchase buyer agreement for that his property. Along with that, if he has any company or any existing project, then these documents also included, which can be like the trade license copy. If he has we can say a saving or deposits in mutual funds or bonds or something, then he can add all these documents as well. Plus he has to provide a bank statement from at least 1 year for his personal and company as well. Apart from that, he has to submit the auditor's report, a financial report for which has to be verified by any registered auditor, and which will mention all these documents and make a report for that particular investor. So these are, we can say, the requirement for the golden visa. These are the document checklist which has to be submitted to the immigration authority, all these files together. And the person presence is not required when submitting the application. Any consultant can, on behalf of the investor, can go to the immigration authority and submit all these relevant documents in the file to the immigration authority, and afterwards immigration will review the application, and it will take up to 7 to 8 weeks or can be a longer time. So once it's approved, the immigration will notify the person, and then for a 1 day, we can say only for 15-20 minutes, the investor have to visit the immigration authority, where they will bring their original passport, and this resident visa of 10 years will be stamped. That sticker will be stamped on their passport. So this is the overall video for golden visa, and I hope you like this video. Further, if you have any question related to golden visa or long term visa, you can contact me on my given below details, and I'll be happy to assist you for any kind of query related to business setup or long term visa. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.